Ndị be anyị ndewono. Ndewono. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Daalụnụ. Thank you for always watching my video and sharing them as well. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. My old subscribers, I've not had much subscriber. Doing this video, I just have about 2 subscribers, but I'm just putting it out there, and I will so much appreciate if you can join the family and subscribe to this channel and watch this video. Like I always tell you guys, Igbo is so simple to learn. Igbo is so simple to learn. Just save this stuff I am doing on your watch later and go back to them consistently, and trust me, you're gonna do so well. Yes, I said it. You're gonna do so well. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu. So this channel is Igbotic Nono, and in today's video we're going to be learning parts of the body. Yes, parts of the body. Aroge, parts of your own arrow, parts of your body. Arunkegi, the parts. You have your body, but you don't know the parts. You have your body, but you don't know the parts. Yeah, so in today's video you're going to be learning parts of your body. So we're going to start with the head, with the face, then we'll go to the upper part of the body, then we'll go to the lower part of the body. So we are mentioning everything, we are not leaving anything out. So without further ado, let us start. Number 1 in the parts of your body is anya. Anya, eyes. Anya, eyes. Anya, eyes. I mentioned anya first because if you don't have this thing, you can't watch this video, right? So this is very important. That is why I'm calling it first. I would have called the head, you see, but no, I'm calling anya because this is the eyes you are using to watch this video. I think it's more important. So anya, eyes. Anya, eyes. Isi, head. Isi, head. Ihu, face. Ihu, face. Oboro, brain. Oboro, brain. Oboro, brain. Nkwanya, eyebrow. Nkwanya, eyebrow. Imi, nose. Imi, nose. Nti, ear. Nti, ear. Nti, ear. Eze, teeth. You're 32. Eze, teeth. Eze, teeth. Ire, tongue. Ire, tongue. Ire, tongue. Onu, mouth. Your lips. That lips used in kissing. Onu, mouth. Onu, mouth. Ntutu isi, the hair on your head. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Yes, repeat them. Yes, please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, and I hope you've given this video a thumbs up already, and I hope you have subscribed already. Let's continue. Anya ocha, anya ocha, clear. Anya ocha, clear. Anya oji, iris. Anya oji, iris. Anya oji, iris. Akwụrụ anya, corner. Akwụrụ anya, corner. Akwụrụ anya, corner. Agba, jaw. Agba, jaw. Agba, jaw. Nti, cheek. Nti, cheek. Remember, nti, ear. The same spelling, different pronunciation. I hope you watched my other video, because I just finished doing a video on objects where I said some sounds alike, like aqua and aqua. Aqua is going up. Aqua. Aqua. Aqua is coming down. Aqua is closed. Aqua is going up. Bed. So just the same thing. Nte, ear. Nte, nte. A little bit stretching. Nte, nte, ear. Nte. No stretch. Nte, cheek. Nte, cheek. Akpo, akpo. The palate proof of your mouth. the palate roof of your mouth. Akpo, 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 the palate roof of your mouth. Akpo, the palate roof of your mouth. Onu, some people call it olu, depending on your dialect. All of them are still the same. Onu, I grew up saying onu. Onu, neck. Onu, neck. Egbubele onu, lips. Egbubele onu, lips. Egbubele onu, lips. Akpere, throat. Akpere, when someone tells you your longer throat, it means your akpere is scratching you. Akpere, throat. Akpere, throat. Agba enu, upper jaw. Agba enu, upper jaw. Agba enu, upper jaw. Agba ala, lower jaw. Agba ala, lower jaw. So guys, we have learned everything around this your head. Now we're going to go to the upper part of your body. Like I said, remember we're learning 3 things about the parts of the body: your head, the upper part, and the lower part. So we're done with the head section. Now we are going to the upper part of the body, and the first here is obi. Obi, chest. Obi, chest. Obi, chest. Mkpuru obi, heart. Mkpuru obi, heart. Mkpuru obi, heart. Ara, breast. Ara, some people call it ala. Remember, dialects. Ara, breast. Ara, breast. Ono ara, nipple. Ono ara, nipple. Ono ara, nipple. Ubu, shoulder. Ubu, shoulder. Ubu, shoulder. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Nku aka, elbow. Nku aka, elbow. Nku aka, elbow. Oba aka, palm. Oba aka, palm. Oba aka, palm. Mkpụrụ aka, fingers. Some people call it mkpịsị aka too. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. Your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Mbọ aka, nails. Mbọ aka, nails. Isi mkpịsị aka, thumb. Isi mkpịsị aka, thumb. Isi mkpịsị aka, thumb. Isi is head. Head. Isi. Isi mkpịsị aka, thumb. Ahu, your body is called ahu, anu ahu. But mostly people say ahu, ahu, body. Ahu, anu ahu, body. Your body, yeah, your body. Ahu. Aji, ahu. The hairs on your body. Aji, ahu. Remember, ahu is body. Aji is hairs. Aji, ahu. The hairs on your body. Aji, ahu. Afo, your belly. Afo, your belly. Afo, your belly or your stomach. Afo. Akpanse, rectum. Akpanse, rectum. Akpanse, rectum. Akpanse, rectum. Umeju, liver. Umeju, liver. Umeju, liver. Otubo, navel. Otubo, navel. Otubo, navel. Akpa amere, urinary bladder. Akpa amere, urinary bladder. Akpa amere, where the urine in your body is stored. Akpa amere, urinary bladder. Uku, your waist. Uku, your waist. Uku, waist. Uku, waist. That waist you used to whine. Uku. Ike, buttocks. That bum bum you're shaking. Ike, buttocks. Ike, buttocks. Ike, buttocks. Apata, your thigh. Apata, thigh. Apata, that place that has more flesh in your body when you wear your trouser. Apata, thigh. Azu, back. Azu, back. So now we are finished with the upper part of the body, and we're going to go over to the lower part of your body. And number 1 is ikpere, knee. Ikpere, knee. Ikpere, knee. Ọkpụkpụ, bone. Ọkpụkpụ, bone. Ọkpụkpụ, bone. Ọkpa, leg. Ọkpa, leg. That's leg you use in walking. Ọkpa, leg. Ọkpa, leg. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, your toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, toes. Mbọ ụkwụ, your toenails. Mbọ ụkwụ, toenails. Mbọ ụkwụ, toenails. Amụ, penis. Amụ, penis. Ọtụ, vagina. Ọtụ, vagina. So guys, this brings me to the end of today's video. Save in your watch letter and study. Save in your watch letter. Put on your earpiece or your AirPod. Listen over and over again. Trust me guys, out of how many that I named now, you're going to learn, you know, half of it every blessed day till you perfect very, very well guys. Trust me, I'm telling you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this video gives me 100,000 views. Yes, hope this video gives me 100,000 views with 20,000 subscribers. Is it possible? It's possible, you guys. Watch my video, share it, stick to this channel. Let's build a community of Ndibu. Community of Ndibu. Igbo amaka, and it's very easy to speak. So I'm doing this to help suba Igbo. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stick around, and of course down in the comment section you can say what things you feel I should also teach on this channel. I don't mind you guys telling me that as well. So I'll expect you guys to give me your feedbacks on down in the comment section. Remember, if you give this video a thumbs down, please give me on the comment section the reason why you're giving me the thumbs down. You don't like my face or you don't like what I'm saying, but seriously, tell me the reason why it's thumbs down so I can improve in those areas. See you next time. See you next time. Bye.